Hi, hi Shilpa.
Hey, hi Padmaja. Today I joined a little late.
Come, let's start.
Yeah.
Just sit with your back straight, where it's comfortable, but at the same time you're feeling attentive. And just observe your body and your breath. Observe if there's any tightness in any part of the body or heaviness. Observe your breath and where are you feeling your breath? Bring your palms together. Let's start with the prayer. Shri Krishna Vagisha Yatishwarabhyam Samprapta Chakrankana Bhashyasaram Shri Narangendra Yatau Samarpitaswam Shri Krishna Maryam Guruvaryamide Virodhe Kartike Mase Shatatara Krutodayam Yogacharyam Krishna Maryam Guruvaryamaham Bhaje Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Any questions before we start?
So Padmaja, whenever you say focus on your breath, when it is morning hours, it is easy to focus on your breath. Now, when all the day has gone down, so many thoughts will be there. So whenever you say focus on breath, all focus will be in the mind only.
Mind, know what to do next, what should I cook?
True.
Yeah, very normal, Shilpa.
It is normal.
Yeah, end of the day, no, with so much of active day, so much we have engaged with, end of the day, that's how it's going to be. That's why evening practice. So
But
to unwind.
But then how we can focus on our breath?
So end of the practice, again, if you check, it'll be calmer. So evening, so today we are going to do with the chanting. So see if chanting can help you. So for each individual, it's different. That's why different practices I've been teaching. So for some, being with the breath will help.
So it is okay when we sit for this pranayama or anything. So whatever thoughts will be there, it should be there. But when we do all these our 20 minutes or 30 minutes session, then our body will be cooled down and we can more focus on our breath, right?
Correct. Yeah. So with every breath, just be attentive and to clear up, whatever.
Hey, thoda difficult.
That's okay, but don't worry too much. All you can do is you can just do the practice. That's all.
Because some other day your day will be very smooth and some other day it will be too much disturbed, and that time it is very difficult to focus for 20 minutes also, right?
Yeah.
And I'm doing all those things, so I'm observing myself. So in the morning hours it works very well. I can focus on my breath, what is it, where it is, how it is, it's a long or short like that. But when the day pass and it is evening hours, if I am so means too busy, it's difficult to me or focus for 20 minutes also.
Yeah, that's very normal. And every day, if it's quiet, also it will be very boring. So it's one day that way, nothing. Don't worry. And every day is different. Okay. Yeah, we'll start.
Sure.
So today we'll do with the mantra practice. So before every movement, we are going to chant one mantra 3 times. So this is called Ayur mantra. It is from Taittiriya Upanishad, and it actually brings healing effect onto all your karmendriyas and jnanendriyas. Okay, so the main things we are going to take, the first 6, which is first is Ayurdehi, which means the entire well-being of the whole system. Then second is the, I'll chant again, but I'm just taking you guys through. That's all. Second is pranam, which is your breath, which makes the body intelligent, your pranam. And the same pranam, when it is in the abdomen region, it is called apanam, which is responsible for your digestion and all that, excretion and all that. That is the apanam. And fourth is the Vyanam, Vyana Vayu. So that is also one more pranam, and that is responsible for all the circulatory system. So whatever pranam is there inside, only when it circulates well, the body functions. So if I'm speaking, you're listening, and all these are because of the prana that is present in the body. Okay, and fifth one is chakshu. So I should be able to see properly, to even understand things and all that. So chakshu, the seeing, and the last is the shrotran, the listening, very important part. Only if I can listen properly, I can understand. And listening not at the organ level, at the deeper level. Can I listen to my voice and also others' voice? Okay, so as you chant today, you are just going to be with your own voice. Okay, so we are going to take each mantra, chant for 3 times, and then we'll use the same mantra in the movement. Okay, so that is the practice for today. So I'll start with the first mantra, which is Om Ayurdhehi. Okay. I'll chant once and you guys will repeat thrice, and I'll also be doing. Okay. Om Ayurdhehi. Inhale. Om Ayurdhehi. Inhale. Om Ayurdhehi. Inhale. Om Ayurdhehi. Slowly open your eyes to watch the movement. Inhale. You're going to raise your left arm only to the shoulder level and chant Om Ayurdehi as you lower your arm. Om Ayurdhehi. This time the So let's start with the left. Inhale. Om Ayurdehi. So your movement and the chant will go together. Now the other side. Start your in-breath. Start raising your arm. Move till the shoulder level on inhale. Inhale. Om Ayurdehi. Let's raise both the arms this time till the shoulder level. Inhale. Om Ayurdehi. So one round you'll do all by yourself. First raise your left arm, bring it down with the chant, then the right side, then both the arms. Okay, moving to the next one. The chant is, we'll chant 3 times first and then we'll do the movement. Om Pranam Dehi. Dehi is to nourish. So nourish my pranam. Inhale. Om Pranam Dehi. Inhale. Om Pranam Dehi. Now let's do a twist. Just watch, Arvind. Inhale, you're going to raise your arm, one arm to the shoulder level. And you'll twist to the opposite side with the hand on the chest. So you lift your heel off when you twist so that it's easy to twist to one side. Chanting Om Pranam. Okay. And inhale, you'll come back, opening the arm. And exhaling with the nostrils, you lower your arm down. Inhale, raise your left arm. Twist to the right. Om Pranam Dehi. Inhale, open. Exhaling with the nostrils, lower your arm to the side. Let's do the other side. Inhale. Twist to the left this time. Om Pranam Dehi. Inhale, open your arm, bring the heel down. Exhale with your nostrils and lower your arm. One more round, all by yourself. Chanting Om Pranam Dehi. And keep your elbow relaxed. Don't tighten your elbow. Keep it relaxed on the chest. Keep your neck and head relaxed when you twist. Okay, now the third mantra. Om Apanam Dehi. The prana which is in your abdomen, which is responsible for your digestion. Inhale. Om Apanam Dehi. Inhale. Om Apanam Dehi. Okay. Now back to the movements. So this time you're going to raise your arms on inhale. Keep your feet little more apart. Raise your arms on inhalation. And chanting Om Apanam, you'll bring your palms to the lower abdomen, below your navel. Om Apanam Dehi. Inhale, raise your arms to the shoulder level. Be attentive to your breath. Start your chant. Om Apanam Dehi. As you chant, listen to your voice. Inhale, raise your arms. Om Apanam Dehi. Inhale. Om Apanam Dehi. One last time, all by yourself. Next mantra is Om Vyanam Dehi, which is for circulation. We'll do that for 3 times. Inhale. Om Vyanam Dehi. Inhale. Om Vyanam Dehi. Inhale. Om Vyanam Dehi. Now what you'll do is, inhale, you're going to raise your arm again to the shoulder level. And as you chant Om Vyanam, you're going to run your palm from the shoulder all the way down to your fingers. Om Vyanam Dehi. Okay, let's start. Inhale, raise your left arm. Om Vyanam Dehi. Raise your right arm. Chant. Om Vyanam Dhehi. Inhale, raise your left arm. Om Vyanam Dehi. Inhale, raise your right arm. Om Vyanam Dehi. One last round, all by yourself. Now you can sit down. So allow the mantra to actually calm down the chatter in the mind. Okay, you have to be open and just allow it to happen. So the next is Chakshur Dehi for your eyes. So inhale, you'll raise your arms to the shoulder level, bending your elbows, and Om Chakshur Dehi. So just bring this part of your palm onto your eyes. Gently bring them. And again, you're going to open, and as you chant, you'll bring them onto your eyes. Okay, so first we'll do the mantra and then we'll move to the movement. Inhale. Om Chakshur Dehi. Inhale. Om Chakshur Dehi. Inhale. Om Chakshur Dehi. Now, the next breath, as you inhale, raise your arms, open them. Om Chakshur Dehi. Inhale, open. Om Chakshur Dehi. If two arms are difficult, just do one arm at a time. That is also fine. Inhale, open. Om Chakshur Dehi. Inhale, open. Om Chakshur Dehi. Just keep your eyes closed. And just listen to the last one. Don't worry about chanting. Om Shrotran Dehi. Inhale. As I chant, exhale along with me and listen to the chant. Om Shrotran Dehi. Inhale. Om Shrotran Dehi. Last time. Om Shrotran Dehi. So for this one, what you're going to do is inhale, you'll just open your arms and you'll close your ears with your palms or your thumb. Okay? And then you'll chant. You'll keep your ears closed and you'll chant. Okay? 3 times at your own pace. Okay? Do it at your own pace. I won't be chanting because that will disturb you. 3 repetitions all by yourself. Once you're done, just close your ears and listen to the sounds with it. Just close it with your thumb, which is easy, which won't put pressure on your shoulders. And just listen to the sounds. And just bring your hands down. And bring your attention to the throat, the base of the throat. If you want, you can keep your hand if you feel that you bring the connection, or if you're okay, just keep the hand down. And you're going to inhale and softly chant Om. Okay, don't worry about counting or anything. Just you'll inhale and you'll chant Om. After you finish your Om, wait for the inhale to happen on its own. Lower your hand and just observe your breath. Just drop all the chanting, breath regulation, everything, and just observe how your breath is moving in and out. Bring your palms together. We'll close with the chant. Om Asato Ma Satkamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Just rub your palms together. Cup your eyes and just rub your face, your ears, and bring your palms down. So doing an evening practice can help you sleep better and it will help you calm the mind.